Hello everyone, welcome back once again. In this video, I will start with the new topic programming using MySQL. So let's start with the program. We are using this MySQL tab, and when you start this tab, you have to enter the password. Just I'll write your password CPS. Okay, now this tab is open. First, you have to see that how to create the database, how to create the table, how to insert the values. Okay, if you want to create the table, okay, but before that you have to create the database. One more thing, remember, it's not case sensitive. You can use uppercase and you can use lower cases, right? So I'll just write here create table database, create database. ATS. So once you create the database, if this database is not exist, right, then you can use this database. So the next step is to how to use this database. Use ATS. Okay. Now you are in this particular database, and now you can create the table. For example, I want to create the table student with 3-4 columns, right? So command is here create table student. For example, first column I'll write here roll number and we'll put here integer as a data type. Second, I'll write here name, character, we'll put the size here. Then I'll write here course. So again you can write here character or varchar, anyone. I'll write here. So basically you can see here, this is the name of the table, right? Bracket open, this is the first table, first column, this is the second column, and this is the third column. I have written here integer. Integer means the roll number will be the numeric value. Second, I have written here name. Okay, so this name, this is the character only I have taken, the database you can see here. And this course, maybe that course number is ABS 234, right, like this. So varchar I have taken. Varchar means it will accept both integer as well as the characters. Alphanumeric you can say. At the end, just close this and put the semicolon. If everything is correct, then data this table will be created. Now you can see here that query okay, that 0 rows affected. If you have created the table, you want to see the structure of the table. So I'll just write here description of the table student. You can see what are the different fields. There are 3 fields: roll number, name, and the course. Even the data type is also written here: integer, character, and the varchar. After creating the table, you have to create the database. After creating the table, you have to create the database. Sorry, you have to insert the values. So what next? Just write here insert insert into table values. Insert into table. So this is student table, student values. Okay, I have given a roll number. For example, this roll number is 101. Table is here Aman, name of the student, and course, for example, I'll write here BCA. Put the semicolon and see 1 row is affected. So I can add more rows also. Just write here 102, then Nilesh I'll write here, MC I'll write here. Other rows also I can add here 103. Some more names are there. I can put here BBA. Amit MBA. So I have added four rows. Now, after inserting the values to the table, you want to see the structure and you want to see the values in the table also. So for fetching the data into the table format, the command is just select star from student. That is the name of the table. You can see here that the first column is roll number, second column is name, third column is your course, and these are the values for the rows. If you want to display only one column or two column or all the three column, so you can write the name of the column here. For example, I'll write here roll number and the name, right? So simply we'll write here roll number, comma, name, from. You can see only two rows will be affected here. So this is the how to create the table, how to insert the value, and how to display the values. Next, I'll show how to update the value from the table. How to update the value from the table. For example, I want to replace this MBA with MCA, right? I can just show you how to replace this MBA with MCA, okay? So command is here update, name of the table, student, set course. Set course is MCA for what? Where roll number equal to 104. Roll number is equal to 104. So you can see that value is changed here. Okay, if I select this, you can see that what is the value which is changed here, MCA. So this is the update command. Now, I'll just show you if you want to add one more column in the table, how to add this. I have written here roll number, name, course, and I'll add one more column as fees, I can say. So command is alter table name and add fees. Data type is integer. Now, if you see this table, now one more column is added, but all the values are here null. So I can add here. For example, you want to add that simple values. So you can here update table, set fees equal to, for example, this is 15,000. I'm not giving any condition. So the fees of all the courses will be same. You can see that structure. So earlier all the values are null, but I want to fetch the values. I want to change the fees structure. I have written here 15,000. So entire course fees structure will be changed as 15,000. For example, you want to update the fees of MCA, you want to update the fees for BCA, right? You can change it. Already we have seen this update. Student set fees equal to 25,000, where I'll write a condition where course equal to MCA. Just put the semicolon here. Now you can see that there are two courses which are MCA. Both are changed. So earlier all that values are 15,000. Now it will be changed to 25,000. So we have seen how to create the table, how to update the values, and also how to add the extra column in the table. Now, if you want to fetch the data, right, either if you want to delete the data, so we can delete the data also. I'll just write here, delete from table student, delete from student where course equal to, you want to delete BCA, you can put that one row is deleted. You want to delete that one particular course, you can see that the BCA course is deleted. Now I want to remove this course. Okay, instead of I'll write here delete, so I'll put here MCA. Okay, so two courses will be deleted here. You can see only one row is remaining here. Either if you want to delete the entire column values, so simply you just write here delete from student table. So it will delete all the rows. It will delete all the rows from the table. If you see this table values, can you see that the empty set? Because already I have deleted that BCA, then I have deleted MCA, and now I'll be deleting here the MCA, and then finally I want to delete the entire table. So just now we have done with this how to create the table, how to insert the values to the table, how to fetch the values from the table, then how to update, then how to delete from this table. I'll just show you one more thing. If I'm creating this table, right, I'll create another table, student. I'll add some values here, insert into student values. Okay, so I'll write here 101, then course, I'll write here BCA. Character you have to put in the single quotes BCA. The course of this BCA fees is 12,000, I'll write here. So one row is added here, select star from student. Okay, now what next? If I add with the same column, can you see here? I'll write here roll number 101 only. I'll put this Nilesh, this is MCA, and this is, I'll put here 15,000. So if you see here that two rows added, but there is a problem. Roll number is here 101 and roll number is also 101 for the second student. But logically, if we are creating any database, then the value should be uniquely defined. Because no two students will have the same roll number. So we need to declare different roll number. So for that, you have to use the primary key. So what is that primary key? Primary key means that we have to add some values and that should be uniquely defined. So what we can do, we'll write here command that alter table student alter student add table name is here student, but sorry, this will be alter table and table name. This is table and table name. Add, we have to add this roll number. I'll write here, sorry, primary key roll number. Now you can see if I want to make the roll number as primary key, but there is a error, it is showing duplicate entry 101 for key primary key, because already I have added here 101. So I cannot define this particular row as a primary key. What I can do, I can remove one of the row. So I'll write delete from student where name equal to Nilesh. Name equal to Nilesh. I have deleted one row. This is the student values, one row is there. I want to alter this, so alter table student, add, can you see here? Now this is the primary key because only one row is there, and if you want to add the repeated value, that will not be taken. So if I insert here, you can say insert into student values, right, 101 I'll write here, Kishan, subjects I'll write here, MBA, and fees I'll put here, semicolon. So already I have written here duplicate entry 101 for primary key. So if you are having that multiple data, maybe 10,000, 20,000, right? In that case, you can use primary key so that the duplicate entry will not be possible. So if I'll change this, insert into, if I make it 2, it will be added here. I'll just show you. So this is the use of this primary key. That means each and every values are uniquely defined. So till now we have used only one video. Okay, so thank you for watching my video. Okay, thank you.